Welcome to YouTube channel Bharat Diapers and More. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss, one that affects the lives of many and demands our attention: mesothelioma, understanding the disease and legal support. Mesothelioma, a rare but aggressive form of cancer, has been linked to asbestos exposure. It's a disease that not only poses serious health risks but also raises important legal questions. Mesothelioma Law Firms, a comprehensive guide. What we will learn and understand. Listen video till end for complete information. Few points to understand. Table of contents. 1. Introduction. 2. What is mesothelioma? 3. How does mesothelioma develop? 4. Causes of mesothelioma. 5. Precautions and prevention. 6. Treatment and cure. 7. Mesothelioma incidence by country. 8. Legal aspects and mesothelioma law firms. 9. How to choose a mesothelioma law firm. 10. Prominent mesothelioma law firms worldwide. 11. Contacting mesothelioma law firms. 12. Support and resources for mesothelioma patients. 13. Conclusion. 1. Introduction. Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer that primarily affects the mesothelial lining of the lungs, abdomen, heart, or testicles. This cancer is closely linked to asbestos exposure and can take several decades to manifest. 2. What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is a malignant tumor that develops in the mesothelial cells, which are the protective linings of various body cavities. It is commonly categorized into 4 types. Pleural mesothelioma, lungs. Peritoneal mesothelioma, abdomen. Pericardial mesothelioma, heart. Testicular mesothelioma, testicles. 3. How does mesothelioma develop? The development of mesothelioma is primarily attributed to asbestos exposure. When asbestos fibers are inhaled or ingested, they can become lodged in the mesothelial linings, causing irritation and damage over time. This can lead to the development of cancerous cells. 4. Causes of mesothelioma. The primary cause of mesothelioma is asbestos exposure. Other potential risk factors include zeolites, naturally occurring minerals related to asbestos. Radiation. High doses of radiation therapy can increase the risk. Genetics. Some genetic factors may play a role in susceptibility. 5. Precautions and prevention. Preventing mesothelioma involves minimizing asbestos exposure. Occupational safety. Workers in industries with asbestos exposure should follow safety protocols. Asbestos removal. Proper removal and disposal of asbestos-containing materials. Protective gear. Using personal protective equipment, when working with asbestos. 6. Treatment and cure. Mesothelioma is typically diagnosed at an advanced stage, making it challenging to cure. Treatment options may include surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and immunotherapy. A cure is possible in some cases, but early detection is crucial. 7. Mesothelioma incidence by country. Countries with a history of heavy asbestos use tend to have higher mesothelioma incidence rates. Some of the countries with a significant number of cases include the United States, Australia, and the United Kingdom. 8. Legal aspects and mesothelioma law firms. Mesothelioma victims and their families often seek compensation through legal avenues. Mesothelioma law firms specialize in representing these individuals in asbestos-related lawsuits. They help clients pursue claims against asbestos manufacturers, employers, and other responsible parties. 9. How to choose a mesothelioma law firm. Selecting the right law firm is crucial. Consider the following factors. Experience. Look for firms with extensive experience in mesothelioma cases. Success rate. Review their track record in obtaining compensation for clients. Resources. Ensure they have the necessary resources for litigation. 10. Prominent mesothelioma law firms worldwide. While many law firms handle mesothelioma cases, some are renowned for their expertise. Simmons Harley Conroy, USA. Whites and Luxembourg, USA. Slater and Gordon, Australia. Irwin Mitchell, UK. Cooney and Conway, USA. 11. Contacting mesothelioma law firms. Most mesothelioma law firms offer free consultations. You can contact them through their websites, toll-free numbers, or by visiting their offices. 12. Support and resources for mesothelioma patients. Mesothelioma patients and their families can access various support services, including support groups. Joining mesothelioma support groups can provide emotional assistance. Mesothelioma centers. These centers specialize in mesothelioma treatment and research. Legal assistance. Mesothelioma law firms can provide guidance on pursuing compensation. Here are some of the factors to consider when choosing a mesothelioma law firm. Experience. The law firm should have a proven track record of success in handling mesothelioma cases. Expertise. The law firm should have lawyers who are experienced in asbestos litigation and mesothelioma law. Reputation. The law firm should have a good reputation among other lawyers and legal professionals. Communication. The law firm should be responsive to your questions and concerns. Compassion. The law firm should understand the emotional toll that mesothelioma can take on patients and their families. Winning asbestos cases requires knowledge of the industries that exposed people to asbestos. Mesothelioma lawyers know the asbestos companies, products, and high-risk occupations linked to exposure. Their firms have the resources to build a case against responsible parties. They will gather evidence and can help pinpoint patients' asbestos exposure sources. It is also important to remember that mesothelioma law firms typically work on a contingency fee basis. This means that the law firm will not charge you anything unless they recover compensation for you. Top mesothelioma law firms offer free case reviews. These consultations do not come with an obligation to hire the law firm. This allows asbestos victims to ask questions and decide how they wish to proceed with no pressure. Lawyers at a firm can answer questions and provide insights into the legal process. Most firms receive payment on a contingency basis. This means the firm only receives money if they win financial compensation for their client. Top mesothelioma law firms are licensed to practice throughout the United States. They have decades of experience working in each state's legal system. They can determine the best place to file lawsuits based on the facts of the case and the relevant laws, including statutes of limitations. If you are considering hiring a mesothelioma law firm, I recommend that you schedule a consultation with several firms before making a decision. This will give you the opportunity to ask questions and get to know the lawyers and staff. It is also important to feel comfortable with the firm you choose. 13. Conclusion. Mesothelioma is a devastating disease often caused by asbestos exposure. Legal assistance from mesothelioma law firms can help victims seek compensation and justice. It's crucial for individuals and their families to understand the disease, its causes, and available legal support when dealing with mesothelioma. While this response provides a comprehensive overview, I recommend further research and consultation with medical professionals and legal experts for specific and up-to-date information on mesothelioma and related legal matters. I hope this information is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, recommendations and insights. Thanks for tuning in.